meet here today with our MetReal sister projects to discuss joint aims of our projects to make real-world evidence more relevant for decision-making. Many findings that we see in clinical trials might not translate into the real world.
All our regulatory processes is actually developed around a trial situation. So we needed to be kind of emulating that in order to feel secure about the data. Aesthetic and also real-world data would be a good supplement to the clinical trials that we already now, of course, introduce into our approval of new medicines.
We really need to come up with these standards of trust for these real-world evidence to agree across both the regulators and the HTA bodies to actually kind of streamline this process.
If we don't involve patients, we might, look at what's measurable instead of what's meaningful. The goal is not just generating data, but really, can we get better care, better access to treatment, and better everyday life for the patients.
We need to be very well informed to know what is next and why our data is important.
We will only use those if they are actually also safe to use. So as a governmental body and a regulatory body, we are better safe than sorry.